Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Taiwan. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Taiwan is a country that puts a huge emphasis on its foreign exchange market, and the country has recently hit a record high with its reserves. Taiwan currently ranks at number 4 in the world in foreign exchange reserves, and the country's government provides its investors with a strong regulatory structure. When it comes to religion, there is a small Muslim community of people in Taiwan, which only accounts for roughly 1% of the total population. Muslim investors will need to make use of an Islamic Forex broker, or simply a Forex broker who makes an Islamic or swap-free Forex trading account available. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Taiwan can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Taiwan. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the cTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as cTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the cTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. Coming in at number 3, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. At number 2 on our list is Exness. Exness has a massive client base and over 10 years of industry experience, with several top-tier regulations behind its name. As an Exness client, you will have access to more than 100 Forex trading pairs, over 80 stocks, 13 cryptocurrencies, and 12 metals and energies. You will have the option of choosing either a standard account or a professional account, and each account offers favorable trading conditions, which are designed to accommodate different trading needs. If you are new to trading, you can find trading courses, market insights, webinars, and more on the Exness Academy educational website. With Exness, you can open a standard account, a standard cent account, a variety of professional accounts, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. Their standard account is a commission-free market execution account with stable spreads, no requotes, and great execution. Their standard cent account is a great entry account if you want standard conditions, but prefer to trade smaller lots and want to start with a lower capital investment. Their professional accounts require a minimum deposit of $500 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. These accounts are suited for more experienced traders and higher trading volumes. You can test your strategies using virtual money in a risk-free demo environment, or open a swap-free account, which is suitable for clients of the Muslim faith. Their platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Exness web terminal, and the Exness mobile application, which are supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Standard accounts are suitable for beginners, and the Help Center offers answers to some of the most commonly asked questions about using certain trading tools, managing accounts, analyzing charts, and more. If you require more in-depth guides, webinars, and market insights, you can visit the Exness educational website to find content based on your level of trading experience and to access the Exness Academy. Exness welcomes beginners and professional traders, offering flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and a wide range of trading instruments that can be traded on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, or with the proprietary Exness application. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Taiwan, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex, ECN, and CFD broker regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts, with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginners' guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis, and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Taiwan on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.